Old MacDonald wakes to start his day, bringing gold and corn to the coop to play. Sprinkle here and a scatter there, the chickens gather round without a care. Old MacDonald's breakfast is on the way. Old MacDonald heads for the piggy pen. The hungry pigs scramble again and again. With luck splash here and a shove there, food is flying through the air everywhere. Old MacDonald laughs at the mess again. Old MacDonald ties the grass up high. Two white goats jump up toward the sky. With a nibble here and a headbutt there, they fight for the grass and they don't want to share. Old MacDonald watches with a twinkle in his eye. Old MacDonald brings a shrimp-filled treat. The white ducks swim over for something to eat. With a splash here and a snap there, water is spraying into the air. Old MacDonald's ducks have muddy feet. Old MacDonald brings the grass so green. The cow rushes over, the hungriest we've seen. With a push here and a shove there, the poor cow slipped and gave us a scare. Old MacDonald's Bessie starts to cry and lean. The puppy was napping, sleeping so sound. Hear the cows cry and jump from the ground. With sniff here and a bark there, calling MacDonald to show that he cares. Old MacDonald's hero is what he's found. The ambulance races for old MacDonald's farm, bringing Dr. Ben to fix the harm.
Don't worry, old friend.
With a shot here and a bandage there, the cow feels better with the doctor's care. Old MacDonald's farm is safe from alarm. Old MacDonald loves his little friends under the morning sun that never ends.
Thank you, Doc. You're welcome. Glad I could help.
Old MacDonald loves his little friends under the morning sun that